Hey guys, Jessica Brigham here from jessicabrigham.com, and guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to show you how easy it is to install an adorne dimmer switch and outlet. My step Daddio has got all the experience and he's taught me everything I know about electric. We're going to walk you through a real life installation from beginning to end, because sometimes you need to try it twice to figure it out. You'll see what I'm talking about, so let's get to it. Have a thorough look-see at the instructions. Then disconnect the power at the main breaker. Safety first. Here's everything you'll need for the install. You'll need an adorne dimmer switch, an adorne outlet, an adorne wall plate, wire cutters, wire strippers, pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, wire connectors, and electric tape for good measure, per the step Daddio. Attach the metal frame to the wall box. Pull all of the wires through and determine your hot, neutral, and ground wires. The hot wire is typically black, the neutral wire is typically white, and the ground wire is typically bare. The hot and white terminals are clearly labeled on the back of the device. Cut back and strip your wires, then connect each to the appropriate terminals. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure each wire into place, and beware to not over-tighten. Never over-tighten. Fun fact, fronds. The derriere of adorne dimmers comes with a wire strip graphic that precisely explains what gauge and length to cut your wires back to. As Jim Gaffigan says, it's so simple. It's so simple. Connect each individual group of wires together. First black, then white, and then ground. Use pliers to twist tautly together and give the connection a clean cut. Secure each grouping with a wire connector. Per my step Daddio, go the extra added mile of adding some electric tape. For safety. Because you never know. Real life fun fact! My stepdad was like, I don't need no sticking instructions. And I'm like, that's cool, because you're a pro. At first he wired the devices as though they were a traditional toggle switch to an outlet, jumping the hot cable from one to the other. We learned pretty quickly that they had to be wired independently, both having their own hot cable connected to the main power source in order to function properly. Hence, if you find yourself in this predicament, always refer to step 1 and you read those instructions. You just go back, you have a look. You'll be okay. No matter what your level, you never know, read the instructions! Firmly push the switch and outlet into the frame until you hear a snippety snap. Then secure the wall plate, also pushing firmly on all sides to snap into place. Reconnect the power at the breaker and marvel at your gorgeous new accoutrement, cause look at how she flickers, it's so dang nice! Make it high, make it low, do whatever you want. These beauties are yours and they are gonna last for a long time. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Until next time, I'll see you.